How to log into JetBlue Credit Card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to log into your JetBlue Credit Card account online. So you can actually search in for JetBlue Credit Card login, or you can also actually search in for Barclays US card login as well. So it's the same thing. So it will basically take you to the first link over here, so you can always tap on the first link even after searching for both, and you can just tap on this login button at the top right corner if you already have an account, and you should get such interface where you can easily enter your registered username, that is your current username, as well as your password. So let me just quickly enter it, and once you enter all of those details, make sure you follow the on-screen instruction prompt, that is it must contain the letters and numbers. Make sure you are not violating the rules over here, and once you do or fill out the details successfully, you can just tap on this login button over here to successfully log into your JetBlue credit card or Barclays JetBlue credit card account online. And if you ever forget your password or username, you can just follow the link over here right below the login button, and you can also check your application status if you have already applied for your application. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.